Topic 1, sample problems about greatest common divisor or greatest common factor and least common multiple. So let's go back to this second page. Greatest common divisor or factor can be defined as if a divisor of both a and b, then we say that the number is a common divisor of a and b. Then we need to find the greatest. Common divisors are also referred to as common factors. So let's look at this example. We want to find greatest common divisor of 72 and 48. So for 72 and 48, both are even numbers, so at least 2 is a common divisor. So if I divide it by 2 here, 72, we divide it by 2, that's 36. 48 becomes 24. They are still even numbers, so we can divide it by 2 again. 36 now become 18, 24 becomes 12. They are still even numbers. We can still divide that by 2. 18 becomes 9, 12 becomes 6. Now we can see that 9 and 6 are both can be divided by 3, so we have 3 on the outside. So 9 becomes 3, 6 becomes 2. Now there is no common divisor anymore. So the greatest common divisor are the multiplication of 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. So 2, 2, 2, and 3 multiplying together give you as 8, 24. Let's double check whether 72 and 48 can both be divided by 24. 72 divided by 24, so got to multiply a 3 here to give you a 2, so 72. So 72 divided by 24 is 3. And then 48 divided by 24 is 2. So this is a greatest common divisor of both numbers. So the second example we want a student to carry out by themselves. Next, we talk about least common multiples. The definition is right here. Suppose a and b are positive numbers. If a number is a multiple of both a and b, then we say the number is a common multiple of a and b. The smallest positive integer that is a multiple of both a and b is called the least common multiple of a and b. For example, 12 is a common multiple of 2 and 3, and the least common multiple of 2 and 3 is actually 6. Okay, so now we look at this problem. We have a least common multiples of these 3 numbers, 3, 21, and 8. So there are multiple ways of doing this. Usually I like to do things by breaking up the numbers. This method may be better for lower grade students. So 3 is already a prime number, so there's nothing to break. 21, we can break it up into 3 multiply 7. 8, we can break it up to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Well, in this example, it doesn't have many common numbers, right? For some cases, for example, this number has a factor of 2, and this number has a factor of 4. In that case, you don't have to double count. By breaking all the numbers into prime numbers, it will help you to pick up the least numbers to give you the least common multiples. In this case, you can see that these 2 numbers need a number 3. This number need a 7. And this need 8. There is no other common numbers. So this would be the least common multiples. So you carry them out. 21 multiply 8, 168 is the answer.